everyone, how are you all doing? My name is Ruchi and today is Sunday. The weather is good because it has rained. So my family wants to eat pizza and I want to prepare the pizza at home. For that I have already prepared my marinara sauce. I'm gonna share the same recipe with you guys. It's healthy because there are no preservatives in it and it's very delicious. So try this recipe out and share your feedback with me. So without any further delay, let's get started. Our first step is to wash our tomatoes and slit them from the back. The ingredient list I have already shared on the screen. So guys, as you can see, I have slit the tomatoes. Now in a pot I have taken 2 cups of water. I will put the tomatoes in my pot and I will start boiling this water on high flame. Once the water starts boiling, we will reduce the flame. We will add about half a teaspoon of salt so the peel of our tomatoes starts coming faster. So in about 2 to 3 minutes, the skin of these tomatoes has started to come out. We don't want to cook these tomatoes, we just want the peel to come out. When you see that your tomato looks like this, then remove them from the boiling water and let them cool down a little. Guys, I will share all the ingredients link in the description box below. Go check it out. So tomatoes are already cooled down. Now I'm gonna remove the peel from these tomatoes and also remove their eyes. Now these tomatoes, what I'm going to do is cut in 4 pieces and remove their seeds. We don't want seeds in our sauce. With the help of spoon, these seeds will come out easily. Save these seeds and pulp for now. And we are gonna do the same process to all these tomatoes. Guys, our tomatoes are ready. Now I'm gonna take a blender jar and blend these tomatoes. We will blend these tomatoes coarsely. We will not make paste out of it. We want our tomatoes to be chunky, like these. Now I'm gonna take my strainer and put these seeds and the pulp and filter all the juice. We Indian ladies never want to waste anything. Now I have taken my garlic and my onion. I will cut them very finely. Now I will take a deep pan. In that I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of oil. Add the garlic. Also very important note that your oil should not be very hot when you put your garlic. Now on a very low flame we will fry this garlic for about 2 minutes. Slowly cooked garlic will give more flavor. Keep stirring it. You don't want your garlic to burn. When garlic is slightly golden, now I'm gonna add my onions to it. And same way I'm gonna cook these onions also on very low flame. Slowly you will see the onions will translucent and they will start changing their colors. Now once onions are golden, we are gonna add our spices. Here I have my oregano, tomato ketchup, black pepper, salt and sugar. Salt, make sure that you use according to the taste. If needed, add extra or less. Mix the spices and add your tomatoes. Also add the tomato ketchup. Give them a good mix. Keep stirring it until it starts to boil. This sauce will take about 15 to 18 minutes to cook. Now we will cover our pan. Covering the pan makes the cooking faster. Keep checking your tomatoes every after 2 to 3 minutes. Guys, the fragrance of this sauce is amazing. My whole house is having aroma of this sauce and I love it. So after about 12 minutes we will see that paste will start becoming thick. Now we will start mashing this paste with our masher. Our sauce has become thick. We will cook this for about 2 more minutes. Guys, trust me, this sauce makes our pizza so delicious that you will never order your pizza from outside. Friends, if you have any suggestion for me, please comment in the comment box. Now our sauce is ready. Once this cools down, I will transfer this sauce in my airtight container. You can store this sauce for 5 days in your fridge. Guys, the color of this sauce looks amazing. I can assure you this sauce is way better than the market one in taste. It's better in other ways also. It's healthier because there are no preservatives. I hope you liked my recipe. Thank you for watching me. Please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you can get all the notification for the videos that I post.